Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how the Hop app works in this year. Let's get started. So the Hop app works by connecting users to various on-demand transportation services that includes ride-hailing, electric scooter rentals, and car sharing, depending on the user's location. Now I'm going to show you how the Hop app works for drivers. First, you want to register as a driver. So prospective drivers download the Hop driver application and complete an online registration process. Hop requires vehicle and license information and conducts a screening process. Next, you want to go online. Drivers can log in into the application whenever they want to work. They are in full control of their own schedule. Next, accept the ride request. So the application automatically sends rides requests from passengers. Drivers can see the trip route and fare before accepting. Next, complete the ride. So the application provides a turn-by-turn navigation to the pickup and drop-off locations. Payment is handled by the app. And lastly, get paid. So earnings are paid out to drivers on a weekly basis. Hop earns revenue by taking a service fee from each ride. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.